Here on the Green Mountain Grill's demo stage, we have the 2021 Memphis in May Pork Shoulder World Champions right here. Blues Hog BBQ. Our good friend Tim Scheer. What are you going to show us today on the Green Mountain Grill, buddy?
I'm thinking about some pork.
Absolutely. Why would we not?
Yeah, pork belly. Let's get down to it, Smitty. We're gonna hit it with a little creamy garlic sauce for this. Small amount. I don't wanna go crazy with this because we're gonna have a lot of flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and chop this pork belly right down Broadway.
Look how soft and tender and delicious that pork belly is, man. It's just...
So what you wanna do is just get it super tender. If you got a thermometer, it's gonna be about 208. So all I'm doing right now is just chopping this up. You can see I've got the skin. I'm leaving that in there. I chop it up, mix it up. All right, I'm gonna pork it up. Heavy on the pork. Yep. Pork. What else you think, Smitty? Get some cheese.
We gotta get some mozzarella.
Word. I'm gonna come back in with the raz. This is what's gonna make it look cute. You don't want to get it on your deal like I just did. Yes. Big no-no. All right. All right. I'm just gonna top it off with a little green onion, and I like a little heat, so we're going jalapenos on here. Good-looking peppers on here. These are sweet peppers, nothing hot. Make sure it's got the slide. You gotta have your ball bearings. All right. You use this flour on the bottom of your pan. Got your ball bearing. That makes your dough roll. Hold on, Smitty. I forgot to put the seasonings on it. Ready?
Give it a nice little shake.
Yeah, that's the shake. Look at it rising already. So you want a super hot stone. The problem if you don't get your stone hot, your dough's soggy. Okay?
Exactly.
You got done pizza topping, everything done. You pick it up and they call it the flop.
Flop.
That's a flop. You lift her up. Oh my word.
And you can see that color is already starting to get nice and golden brown on there. We give that another spin and we're probably looking for another 45 seconds to 1 minute for that crust to get nice and crispy and beautiful.
This pizza's done. Now look, you can feel it even on your...
That's it. That's how we like to react to pizza right there.
Pizza's done. All right, this is raspberry chipotle. Don't be shy. Don't cheat yourself, treat yourself, right, Mark? Spike it up with a little bit of green onion just to make it look really, really pretty.
Round of applause for my friend Tim Scheer, Blues
guys.
Hog BBQ.
Hope you're having fun out here.
We're gonna sample this World Championship pork belly pizza to you guys, so stick around. We got another demo coming right up after. Right after this one.
Woo! Stacking them up.